In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation in Miro. Miro is a versatile online collaboration tool that allows you to develop dynamic and interactive presentations effortlessly. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, Miro's flexibility makes it a great choice for creating engaging presentations. So, let's dive into the process and see how you can create your own presentation in just a few steps. First things first, let's get started by creating frames, which will serve as your slides. Open your Miro board and then look to the left toolbar to find the Frame tool. Click on it and you'll have the option to draw frames of your desired size or select a preset size such as presentation or widescreen. Each frame that you create will act as an individual slide, and this flexibility allows you to tailor each piece of your presentation exactly to your needs. Next, it's time to organize your content within these frames. This is where your creativity really shines. Add text, images, sticky notes, diagrams, or even videos inside each frame to bring your presentation to life. The content you choose will depend on the message you want to deliver and the way you wish to engage your audience. Also, consider the logical flow of your slides to ensure your audience can easily follow your story from the introduction to the main points and then to a compelling conclusion. Once your content is in place and you're satisfied with the organization, it's time to move into presentation mode. You can do this by clicking the Present button located in the top right corner of your Miro board. Alternatively, you can open the Frames panel and select Present Frames from there. This allows you to see how your presentation will appear when it's being shown to an audience. Navigating through your presentation is straightforward. You can use the arrow keys or simply click to move between frames. Each frame will be displayed full screen, giving it the look and feel of a more traditional slideshow, while still retaining the distinct advantages of using Miro. Now, what if you realize that you need to reorder your slides for better flow? Miro makes this easy too. Simply open the frames list on the left and drag the frames up or down to change the order of your slides. This flexibility ensures that you can quickly make adjustments to deliver a well-structured presentation. Finally, when you're ready to share your presentation with others, click on the Share button. You can invite others by granting them view access, which is great for getting feedback or for collaboration. Additionally, Miro provides the option to present live, an excellent feature if you're working in a team and want to collaborate in real time. And there you have it. You've seamlessly created a presentation using Miro. This intuitive process not only makes presentation creation easy, but also promotes effective collaboration and creativity. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.